Hi guys, how are you doing? It's Dr. Femi here from the Praise Haven. Today we're going to be talking about personalized corporate gifts for tech companies. Yay! So guys, remember to like our channel, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell. I'll be right back. Welcome back guys. As I said earlier, I'm going to be talking about personalized corporate gifts specifically for tech companies, right? So if you own a tech company, if you know someone that owns a tech company, you want to share this video with them. You can't go wrong if you give out any of these gifts. Guys, remember to like our channel, subscribe to our channel, and turn on your notification bell so that you can get notified when we post videos. So let's get to it. Our first tech corporate gifts is drinkware. You can never go wrong with drinkware. It's very versatile. Most people that run their businesses give out drinkware, but you know that your choice of drinkware is also very important. You want one that is very useful, that can be used long term, and you want one that the branding is top notch. It's not like they receive a gift today and by the next day or 2 days after it has been washed, the print is going off. So it's very important. Your choice of drinkware is very important. One example is this lovely tumbler, lovely branded Google tumbler with a metal straw. You can either use it with the straw or without the straw. So it's versatile in its use. The print is permanent, and like, don't you just love this? Literally, like at the sight of it, it's just absolutely gorgeous. So you want to gift either your team members or your clients, right? Why? You want to remain top of mind with your clients. You want your clients to like you. You also want your internal customers to like you, which are your team members. So it would be very nice to give them functional, useful, and well-branded gifts. Also, if you want to add a personal touch to it, you can also put their names on it, right? I mean, when you put your team members' names on a product, it gives them a sense of ownership, right? They feel like they're part of the company. So it's very important. Your choice of gifts, very, very important. Let's move on to the second gift option that we have. This is a backpack, lovely branded backpack that can carry your laptops and other items, right? So it's very useful. Most companies can use this as well, but for a tech company, you know that your staff members, they usually carry a lot of stuff around, their laptops, their power banks, their mouse pads, the drinkware. So they need nice backpacks, they need nice carrier items for them to, you know, carry those items around. So this is a lovely, lovely, lovely backpack. There are other options for it, but today we're just going to focus on this one. So moving on to the next item. I really like this product. It's a plaque, right? It's a crystal plaque, and guess what? It has AR function. So if you're in the tech industry, I'm sure you know what AR is. AR is augmented reality. So lovely, 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 lovely. We'll be sharing the link of the video to describe this product above, so you see the link just above, right? So let's move on straight to the next product. Power banks. Who doesn't need power banks, right? If you're in the tech industry, you have to be on your phone a lot. You have to be on your system a lot. You might have to be on your iPad for a long time, and you might have downtime sometimes, so you always want to have backup. Now we have a wide range of power banks here at the Print Haven. Lovely branded power banks. So I'll share the first one. This is an LED power bank. You can see that it lit up. It also has a touch. It has a touch light attached to it. I really like this. I really love LED products. So that's the LED. So you can either put your company logo or you can put your staff's name right here. I mean, it's important that you make your people feel very special. You can't go wrong with making your people feel very special, because they'll definitely give you the best. And I know that you want the best for your company. This is another power bank type, and it also has a touch. This one comes with all the cables attached. Very nice and compact. So that's it for power banks for now. I'm just going to turn this off. Right. This is one of our best sellers. It's a 3-in-1 charger, so you can actually charge 3 devices at the same time with this. It's so versatile. We like to, pick out versatile, functional products for our customers. Like this, for this now you really don't need the cable, but for this power bank you'll need the cable. And guess what, I forgot to say that this power bank also has wireless charging capabilities. We're going to share the video demonstrating how this product works in another video. So this is how this works, and guess what, it's LED lights up as well. And you can either put your company logo, your company name, or your staff's name. Guys, you can't go wrong. You can even go further if you have special clients that that you want to acquire, or if you have clients that are already working with you, you also want to give them personalized gifts. It's very, very important to make your gifts personal. So this can charge 3 devices at the same time. It's a really, really good product. I'm just going to put it aside whilst I open up the other products that we have. Our next product is also a wallet. It's a wallet, and it also has a power bank in it. Guys, we love functional products over here. So it has the power bank where you can use to charge 3 devices yet again at the same time. You can also charge your device wirelessly if it has a wireless, if your phone or your device has wireless charging capabilities. Colorful and vibrant branding. What's not to love about this? You can put your ATM cards, you can actually put cash in here. So it has multiple functionalities. We usually like gifts that has more than one functionality. Give this to your clients, they will love you forever, and I mean forever. The next product is our smart notebook. Now this smart notebook, as I lifted, you saw that the lights came on, so it's touch sensitive. It has the wireless charger right here. And if you have a phone that has wireless charging capabilities, it will just be perfect for it. This is a 16 GB flash drive. There's a video that has the full product description. I'm rushing through here so that I can focus on other products. You can put your cash in here. You can take notes. This particular one has a lamp. Guys, what's not to love about this product? Like, seriously. This has a lamp, so if you're in the dark or you just want to read something at night, or you want to take notes at night, you can do that comfortably. You can also charge 3 devices at the same time. Such a beautiful product. We love it over here. Moving on to the next product, the last but not the least. This is a wireless speaker. Guys, it's a beautiful product. You can't even find it anywhere else. Let me just turn it on. It has the LED where you can put your company logo. It also has wireless charging capabilities. I'm sure as a tech company, if you see this sign, you know that this can charge wirelessly. This is also a Bluetooth speaker. So guys, multiple functions, functionality, usefulness, fantastic branding, vibrant branding. What's not to love? Guys, if you like any of these products, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back with more amazing videos. Bye.